All right. Still taking, still taking. Still taking. Okay, slow up, slow up. I'm not sure where it is right now. He's still taking line though. Yeah, back if you can. I don't know what to do. Okay, easy, easy, you're good. He's still taking lines to trouble.
Yeah.
I think we got to go towards him.
We got to go on the bow.
Go towards him. Towards him. Pretty good clip. Oh, shit. Are you going towards him? Forward.
It's going down, Bill.
I know, we can't have this much. We're in there tomorrow again. I don't know. I don't know where he is. Straight down, I think.